Hello students, I am Mary here. Welcome to 9th Maths NCERT Chapter 2 Polynomials. Today the concept that we are going to study is division of a polynomial. How to divide a polynomial with another polynomial. That's what we are going to study. So there are two examples I have written here. So this is a polynomial. We have to divide this polynomial with another polynomial. So here also a polynomial is there to divide with another polynomial. Now if it is not mentioned, here it is at least mentioned that this has to be divided by this. But if it is not mentioned, how to find out that with what will become the dividend and which one will become the divisor. So we have to see the highest degree. Here the highest degree is 3. Therefore this becomes the dividend, and the here the highest degree is 1. So the bigger one is this. Therefore this becomes the dividend and this will become the divisor. So here also you see the highest degree here is 1 and here the highest degree is 3. So therefore this becomes a dividend and this becomes the divisor. So now let's begin how to divide this with the other polynomial. Now let's begin with this example because the divisor is smaller comparing to this one. So we'll start with this one first. So first we'll write down the dividend. So dividend we'll write down here, that is x cube plus 3x square plus x, and we have to divide this by x. So don't worry, but here you have to be very careful with plus and minus. Most of the students make mistake with plus and minus, so that we have to take care. That's it. So first what we have to do is be careful to pay attention here. Carefully, if you pay attention, then it becomes easy. First what you have to do is first take this term, first term you take. So x cube this is, so I am write down. Then this first term divide with this. So what we will get, x gets cancelled, from here 1x will get cancelled. So what we will be getting, we will be getting x square. So this will become the quotient. So you will write down this here as quotient, x square. So after writing down this, what you have to do is now you multiply both. So if you are multiplying both, then x into x square, when you multiply, you will get x cube. So write down this here now, x cube. Okay, now we change the sign. This is in plus. So normally when we do the long division method, we change the sign. So this will become minus now. So what we will get, this becomes 0, because this is in plus, this is minus x cube, so becomes 0. So now let's bring down this remaining two terms here, or you can bring it one by one, because here one term is there, so you also can bring one term. So bring down one term, that is this. You also can bring it two together also, it's okay, there is no problem, but we will be solving one by one only. So now we have to solve this one, 3x square. So as I said, the first step what you have to do is first to take this here, write down like this. This is what we are going to divide with this one. So now with this one we have to divide. So what we will get, 1x and 1x will get cancelled. What we are getting now, 3x. So this will be your quotient. So write down that 3x here. So plus 3x. Now after writing down, we have to multiply with the divisor. So with the x, you have to multiply now 3x. So when you multiply, what you will get, this is 1x, multiply with the 3x, what you will get, 3x square, because here 1 is there. 1 into 3, 1, and x into x will become x square. So write down this here, 3x square. Now change the sign. Again it will become 0. So now this you bring it down. So we have now x. Now again the same way. This x write down, and with the divisor So it gets divided, we will have 1. So that will become quotient. So write down plus 1. So now with the quotient and this you have to multiply. So x into 1, what you will get? 1 into x, you will get x only. So this answer will come here. So when you are multiplying, that answer comes here, right? So this, when you change the sign, you will get it 0. Now this is our remainder and this is the quotient. So now let's try the second one. Now we'll see the second one, because here we have 2 terms. So let's see when 2 terms how to do it. So I'll write down here. That is, I think this place not enough. So let's write down here. That is 3x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 2. So that has to be divided by x plus 1. So here also same way you have to do. Take the first term first. That is x cube. Then divide by x with x, first term. Okay. With x. So what we will get? We will get x square. So this x square you write down here on the quotient. X square. So now you multiply this. X into x square, what we will get? We will get x cube. Then what is here? Plus. And with 1 when we multiply, then we will get x square. So now change the sign. This becomes minus. This will become minus. So now x cube with minus x cube will get 0. And here minus, here also minus. So minus and minus will remain minus, but you have to add them. So here 1x square is there. So total how many x square will have? 4x square, because there is 1 is there. So 3x square and 1 more x square. Together it will be 4x square. Now the remaining term you bring it down here. You can bring it all together or you can bring it 2 terms, because we have 2 terms. So at least 2 terms should be here. Otherwise also you can bring it the whole thing also together. There is no problem. Now again same method. How we did here? Same way. Take this. Now what we have is minus 4x square we have. So write down here minus 4x square. So this we have written down. Now divide with the x. So x and x will, 1x gets cancelled. So what we will have? Minus 4x. So this write down here. That is what? Minus 4x. So minus 4x. Now you multiply x into minus 4x. So if you don't know directly to do, you can write down x into minus 4x. So what you will get? Here 1x is there. 1 into minus 4 you will get minus 4 only. X into x you will get x square. So minus 4x square. Now what is left here? 1 is there. Now with 1 you multiply minus 4. Again with 1 when you multiply minus 4x you will get the same number. So minus 4x. So now change the sign. This is in minus, so it will become plus. And this also will become plus. So now 4x square gets cancelled. And what we have? 4x we have, here 1x we have. So when you minus from plus 4x, 1x, 1 minus x, we will get the biggest number sign will remain plus. And from 4x when you minus 1x, you will get 3x. So now this plus 2, bring it down. So now what we have? Again plus 3x you have. So do the same procedure. This take this plus 3x and then divide with this x. So x gets cancelled. Then you will have 3. So this you write down in the quotient. That is plus 3. So we'll write down plus 3. So now you multiply with x plus 3. You will get 3x. and you have plus and plus, so you write down plus, and with 1 when you multiply 3 you will get 3. Now change the sign, this becomes minus, this also will become minus, so this gets cancelled. Here minus 3 and plus 2, so the bigger number sign will remain minus. From minus 3 plus 2 goes means you will get 1. Now we cannot continue further because here we have 2 terms and here only 1 term. Plus here highest degree is 1, here highest degree is 0. Therefore this we stop it here. So this becomes our remainder and this becomes our quotient. That's it. I hope you understood how to divide a polynomial with another polynomial. You need a practice. The more you practice, it becomes easy for you. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.